Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Bitform to GetGist using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app, and search Bitform as a trigger. Click on Submit Success. Select your form. Now click on the Listen Response button, and go to the form. Fill out the form. Form submit successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The form data will be available in captured response. Now close the Trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select GetGist. Create contact as an action. Add connection. You can change the connection name. To get the token, go to the GetGist dashboard. Here is your API key. Copy it and paste here. Connect. Select the tag. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in GetGist, go to GetGist dashboard. Then select Contacts. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.